A&R Tire, talking about how to buy tires.
Buying tires, as far as how often you should do that, that really depends on how many miles you drive per year and what kind of driving conditions you're doing. Typically, a tire today is going to last you about 50 to 60,000 miles is probably a good average. Other conditions is the casing. It deteriorates after about 5 years, so we always recommend if the date code on the tire, the last 4 digits, are 5 years old, we always recommend replacing that for safety issues. The tire is basically seen its useful life, and it's more than likely in our Southern California market, that tire would probably more than likely dry rotted. So we always recommend 5 years, but we also look at the tread. If it's at 2/32 or less, it is time to replace that tire. On most of your vehicles today, on your light truck tires, as far as the spare goes, on your light truck tires, it usually are a full-size tire, the same tire that came with the other set of 4. So yeah, those tires are good for 40, 50, 60,000 miles. You should also do a 5-tire rotation to keep a fresh spare under there at all times, and you'll get a little bit more wear. You're going to get another 20-30% of life out of your set of tires. Of course, when you have a space saver, that tire is going to get you about, providing the vehicle is properly aligned, and you drive at 50 miles an hour, that tire is going to get you approximately 5,000 miles.